Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the financial year in Xero, even if you're a total beginner. I'm using a demo company, so you can follow along exactly the same way. Let's get started. First, log in to your Xero account. If you're new, you can click Try Demo Company on your dashboard. The demo account is perfect for practicing because you can't mess anything up. Once you're inside the company, look at the top left menu and click on Accounting, Advanced. This is where Xero keeps all settings related to financial reporting, conversions, periods, and more. Inside the Advanced section, find the option called Financial Settings. Click on it. This page controls important settings such as financial year-end, GST, VAT settings, tax filing frequency, business details. Today, we'll only change the financial year. Look for the section that says Financial Year End. Here, you'll see a month and day dropdown. To change your financial year, choose the new month, choose the new day. For example, if your business follows an April to March cycle, select March 31st. If you follow a January to December year, choose December 31st. After selecting the correct year-end date, click Save at the bottom. Before you save, keep two things in mind. One, you can change the financial year, but not historical reports. Changing the financial year affects future reports, not old ones already generated. Two, it does not automatically change tax periods. If your country requires GST, VAT reporting, you must update tax settings separately under Accounting, Advanced, Tax Settings. And three, if your books are already locked. Some periods may be locked by your accountant. You won't be able to change dates unless those periods are unlocked. After saving, go to Reports, Accounting Reports, Balance Sheet or Profit and Loss. At the top right of the report, you'll see your new financial year range automatically applied. This confirms that the financial year has successfully changed. And that's it. You've successfully changed the financial year in Xero, even as a beginner. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you want more Xero or accounting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.